Ready to boost your Uber Eats earnings in the UK? Let's dive into mastering the driver app. First, make sure you're online. Tap the Go button at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a map showing your current location and nearby restaurant hotspots. Keep an eye out for order requests. A notification will pop up with the restaurant name, estimated delivery time, and potential earnings. Quickly review the details, and if the offer suits you, swipe to accept the order. Remember, declining too many requests may affect your acceptance rate. Once accepted, the app will guide you to the restaurant using its built-in navigation. Upon arrival at the restaurant, confirm the order with the staff in the app. Tap Confirm Pickup, double-check you have all the correct items, and then carefully load the food into your insulated bag. Next, follow the app's navigation to the customer's address. Always prioritize road safety once you arrive. Follow any delivery instructions provided by the customer, such as leaving the order at the door. After handing over the order, tap Delivered in the app. You'll see a summary of your earnings for that delivery. You can also rate the customer and provide feedback if necessary. To maximize your earnings, keep an eye on search zones highlighted on the map. These areas have higher demand and increased pay. Finally, regularly check your app settings for any updates or promotional opportunities. That's how to get the most out of the Uber Eats driver app in the UK.